If you're seeing the X, formerly Twitter, error that says something went wrong, please try again. Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your account and use the platform normally again. This error is usually caused by browser issues, corrupted cookies, blocked scripts, or even a temporary outage on X itself. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and software guides. Let's get started. The first thing to try is clearing the site-specific data for. This is one of the most effective fixes because old cookies and stored website data can break the login process. Open your browser and go to x.com or twitter.com. Then look at the left side of the address bar and click the padlock icon. From the menu that appears, choose Site Settings. Inside the settings page, find the option to delete or clear the stored data for the site. Remove everything related to X, then refresh the page and try signing in again. If the error was caused by corrupted site data, this alone may solve it. If that does not work, the next step is to clear your browser's full cache and cookies. In most browsers, you can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. That opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Set the time range to all time, then check cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. After that, click Clear Data. Once it finishes, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try X again. Sometimes a fresh session is all the platform needs to work properly. Now, if you are still getting the same message, test X in an incognito or private window. This is important because incognito mode usually disables most extensions and uses a cleaner session. On Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. On Firefox, press Ctrl, Shift, and P. Then open X in that private window and try logging in again. If it works in incognito mode, that usually means one of your browser extensions is causing the conflict. If that happens, go back to your normal browser and start disabling extensions one by one. Pay special attention to ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, VPN extensions, and any security plugins. In Chrome, for example, you can click the puzzle piece icon near the top right, then manage extensions and turn them off one at a time. After each one, refresh X and test again. This helps you identify exactly which extension is interfering with the site. Another very helpful fix is to try a different browser. If you normally use Chrome, try Firefox or Microsoft Edge. If X works in another browser, that tells you the problem is likely with your main browser profile or settings. In that case, you may need to reset the browser, clear more site data, or reinstall it if necessary. This is a simple but very effective way to isolate the problem. You should also check whether the issue is actually on X's side. Sometimes the platform has an outage, a regional problem, or temporary account limits that trigger this message for lots of users at once. You can search online for X outages or check a service like Down Detector to see if other people are reporting the same issue. If there is a widespread outage, the fix may simply be to wait until the service comes back online. If you believe your account has been rate limited, or if you have been refreshing too often, give it some time before trying again. Repeated login attempts can sometimes make the issue seem worse. Wait a bit, then try the steps again from a clean browser session. So to quickly recap, the best fixes are: clear the site data for X, clear your browser cache and cookies, test in incognito mode, disable extensions, try a different browser, and check for outages. In most cases, one of those steps will solve the problem. If this video helped you fix the X login error, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. And if you're still stuck, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.